Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. When the ship refused to make a bow. Story. Òrúnmìlà told the ship to make a bow so that it could dock safely at the pier in difficult situations and not be lost. But the ship, being proud and looking down on the pier, considering it inferior and dirty, did not perform bow and said to Òrúnmìlà, "I live happily and content, sailing the seas." Òrúnmìlà then went to the pier and instructed it to make bow. The pier obediently complied. Time passed, and a great storm appeared. The ship, which was near the coast, was in danger. It then remembered the pier and went to it for safety. But the pier responded, "If you don't pay me tribute, I will not let you stay." And so, in order to take shelter, the ship had to pay a fee to the pier. Note: one must strive to guide their life wisely, so that when they grow old, become sick, or face adversity, they do not have to turn to those they once looked down upon and humble themselves.